Good morning, students of standard 10. Today we are going to discuss evidences of evolution from chapter 4, heredity and evolution. The following are the evidences of evolution: homologous organ, analogous organ, fossils and embryological evidence. So students, the evidences of evolution can be categorized under 4 topics, which are homologous organ, analogous organ, fossils and finally embryological evidence. Homologous organ: the specific organs which resemble in having same basic design but functions differently are called as homologous organ. So students, homologous organ are those particular organs which resemble, that is, which appear similar in their basic design, but if we concentrate on their function, then their function is quite different from each other. So students, to understand homologous organ, if we concentrate on this picture, we can easily notice the wing, the forelimb of the lion, the forelimb of the chimpanzees and the forelimb of the human. So students, here if you notice, then in all of these three, the arrangement of bones is exactly the same. That is, you can find bones like humerus, radius, ulna, carpals and metacarpals, and finally phalanges. So this shows that the basic design of these organisms are exactly same, because all these bones and even the arrangement of bones in all of these three organisms appears more or less same. But students, if you concentrate on the functioning, then the functioning of these organs are quite different. Like, if you concentrate here, then the forelimb of the human being is utilized for holding and grasping, whereas chimpanzees and lion uses their forelimb for walking. So students, although the similar basic design is present in the forelimb, but functionally these organisms use their forelimb for different functions. Analogous organ: the specific organs which do not resemble in having same basic design but functions similarly. So students, analogous are those organs whose basic design does not resemble to each other, but still their function is same. So students, in order to understand the analogous organ, if we concentrate on the wings of butterfly and the wings of bat, then we can easily notice the difference in the wing of the butterfly and the wing of the bat. Students, in the wing of the butterfly, we can find that there is no presence of bone, and rather the wing of the butterfly is quite thin and papery. Whereas if we concentrate on the wings of bat, then we can find that here the wing of the bat is thick and is further supplied with the arrangement of bones. So students, we can say that the basic design of the butterfly and the bat is quite different. But still the function is same, because butterfly also uses the wings for flying, and so does the bat. Fossils. These are the organisms which got buried deep inside the earth and got excavated out later. So students, fossils are those organisms which got buried deep inside the earth and further got digged out from the earth after millions of years of their getting buried. Embryological evidence. In the embryonic stage, all the organisms appear similar to each. All organisms appear similar to each other, which explains origination of every organism from same common ancestors. So students, embryological evidence actually explains that in the embryological stage, every organism appear more or less similar to each other. It is because every organism has originated from same common ancestor. So students, we can understand the embryological evidence if we concentrate on this picture. So students, here you can notice that the embryological stage of the fish, salamander, tortoise, chicken and human being is being given. So students, if you concentrate, then the first embryological stage of fish, salamander, tortoise, chicken and human more or less appears similar. And it is quite later in life that they start appearing quite different from each other, although in the embryological stage, in the earlier stage, they more or less appear similar. So students, the similarity between the organisms which are quite different from each other in the embryological stage gives the evidence that these all organisms have originated from same common ancestors, that is, the ancestors of these all different organisms which appear quite similar to each other in the embryological stage originates from same common ancestor. Students, now let's discuss important question. Name some fossils. Trilobite and ammonites are some of the fossils. So students, today we studied about the evidences of evolution, which were homologous organ, analogous organ, fossils and evidences of evolution. Thank you, students.